1 second, I'm trying to figure out something. Why this app isn't opening. Y proyectos de ahora. I hope you can hear me. Okay, now it opened up. Alright. Cool. Cool. Alright, let's see. Hello. Hello. Hello, mates. Mateys. Hey, Ryan does stuff apparently. Are you going to use AI to help you code or incorporate AI into the game? I'm going to have like the AI make the whole game. I'm going to try. Just as like a fun little thing. I don't know, I was just bored and I've been wanting to do this. Well, I should actually be doing other work right now, but whatever. Let me just, so I downloaded for Stable Diffusion, I downloaded a new checkpoint, but I think I actually need to close it and rerun it. Okay, so since ChatGPT is so popular now, I was thinking of making a little game with it. Okay, let me just put this so I can see the chat here. Okay. I'm also on Twitch right now. Let's see, how do I look at this on Twitch? Watch now. I don't even. How do I look at my chat on here? Creator dashboard. Okay. Stream manager. Okay. Okay. Oh, hey, Hyper Virtual Extreme. What's up? Okay, so now I can see both chats. Hey, Ilba. Sorry, Ilba. How have you been? It's been a while. Oh yeah, I've been using ChatGPT to help me debug. I know it like gives me wrong answers. Oh wow, now it gives me my history of stuff. I was just trying stuff. I've been asking it things. It's actually pretty useful, but yeah, sometimes it's just been dead wrong. But that's why it's good to know about what you're doing, so you don't just trust it blindly and then be like, what? Do you happen to have 2 mics? What do you mean? Right now? I only am using 1 mic. Okay, so I was thinking we should just do a 2D game because Stable Diffusion is mostly 2D. Oh, what the heck is this? Here. What's wrong with it? Oh, download the checkpoint. Put it in models. The models / Stable Diffusion. And then grab the config. Oh, I also need this. Let me make a document and call that. I'm just downloading the newest version now. Stable Diffusion? YAML. Okay, now edit. Open video code. I'll just paste that. I'll just rerun this here. Okay. Hopefully that works with the new 2.0 version. I heard it's much better. I wish I knew what I was doing. Oh. Hey Lente, how are you? Apologies. ChatGPT only works for people who are already experts but are too lazy to experiment stuff. Works. I mean, it can help you even if you're not an expert if you have a question. Told me to use load. I'm actually kind of sweating. Let me drop the degrees a bit here. Because I insist on wearing a sweater. Even though I don't need to. Okay. Okay, so let's put in an idea. Can you give me some game ideas for Unity? Some 2D. Some fun and simple 2D games. I don't know, ChatGPT, like the last 2 weeks were just not working for me. It was just crashing. And it would be like logging me out constantly. I guess they were fixing it, so I couldn't really do this for a while. Hey, Mr. Nibbles, what's up? Yeah, I'm gonna use ChatGPT. ChatGPT. They just came out with a new one, right? Ah! Sorry. I don't know. 1 second. Let's see, ChatGPT new version. Maybe not. I don't know. I thought I saw something new that came out. How to build your own. I'm good. Hope you're enjoying doing well to enjoy the holidays. Thank you. I hope you enjoy the holidays too, and everyone. Hee. On Twitch, some hyper extreme virtual saying you didn't sound like you were using the one in front of you. Oh, really? Does it not sound like I'm using this microphone? Test. Does it not sound like it? I'm pretty sure it is. Yeah. Sure. I just put that in my mouth. Yo, this looks fun. What's up, dude? Deucin? What a name. Okay. Let's see. ChatGPT go down time-consuming rabbit holes. Yeah, that's true. Like, a lot of the times it doesn't even get a good answer. It's faster if you just do it yourself. Endless Runner? Come on. So easy. A rhythm game? Okay, I can get behind a rhythm game. A rhythm game? I was thinking also a visual novel game? I don't know. What should I pick? A rhythm game would be fun. How about, you know, there's a rhythm game mixed with a story game on Steam. I forgot what it was called. It was really good though. Okay. Let's see. Can you give me some ideas for a visual novel game? Unity? You got 2 microphones? No, I don't. Why do people keep saying that? Does it sound like I don't have one mic? Hey, IBK. I'm on Twitch and YouTube. That's why if you don't, it's kind of weird. Hey, Gamer19XD. What's up? Hey, ChatGPT doesn't work in my country. Aw. That's unfortunate. I'm sure This is gonna become more widespread soon, maybe, hopefully. A romance story. These are so big. Fantasy, time travel, high school drama. I like the mystery story. Can you elaborate on number 2? Here are a few additional details. Role of a detective or amateur sleuth? Sleuth? I don't know what that word is. Oh, interesting. I didn't know that. Did this work now? Okay. I think Stable Diffusion is working now. I have both the checkpoints. Evil AI taking over the world. Ah. Let's see if it doesn't like crash my computer. Ah, glad my videos are helpful. Oh wow. Yeah, that does look like it's taken over the world. It's like talking to a compiler. It is. IBK, I'm using AI to make a game. Just a fun little thing. Series of choices throughout the game. Can you be specific and give me a storyline? Puzzles and minigames. Okay. For this crime mystery visual novel. Mystery novel game. UI document. You mean the new UI builder? You gotta set the pixel size to 768. Oh, that's true. Yeah, thanks. Yeah, that'll probably help. Let's see if that helps too. Oop. Well, that just takes up so much more capacity on my computer. I don't know if it can handle it while streaming. I cannot wait until I can get reliable code with prompts. Are you real? No. I'm just... Actually, I don't think I can really run this model. It's like so slow. Ah! I can't do anything about it now. I just gotta wait for it to finish. Okay. Let's see. Sure. Okay, here's the storyline. The player takes on the role of a detective who is called to investigate a murder at a wealthy businessman's mansion. Upon arriving at the scene, the player finds there are several suspects. This sounds like a movie. They gather clues and interview the trying to determine who is telling the truth. Then they discover that the victim has been recently involved in a legal dispute and that several suspects stand to gain from his death. Web of lies. Who to trust? Yeah, I know it's lagging the stream, but I can't like... I guess I can just stop it, actually. Oh my god. Let's not do that again. Yeah, the stable diffusion generator was just going crazy. Yeah, I can't use that one apparently. It's too much for the time being. I don't have the RAM or the... I don't know. Goes out of it. Oh, whatever. Okay, so I think that's too generic. Make it more spicy. He apologizes. seaside resort. The player finds the victim is a wealthy socialite who is known for extravagant parties. As the player investigates, they discover that the victim had recently been involved in a heated argument with her ex-husband, a notorious playboy with a history of violence. Oh, this is rated R. However, they also uncover evidence linking the victim to a secret underground gambling ring. And okay, this is very exciting. As the player interviews the suspects, they find that everyone has something to hide and the victim was not as well liked as she appeared on the surface. The player must navigate complex relationships and hidden agendas as they try to piece together the truth. Just when the player thinks they have the case solved, a shocking revelation throws everything into question and they must start their much better. Can you give me the entire how would I word this, I guess? Can you give me the entire script? The entire script with formatted in a way where I can see the branching outcomes and paths the player can take. That is spicy, right? I know. Well, no. You... Hey Nathan, hey Template Channel, hey Genius K. The lag was real. Yeah, sorry about that. Okay, I don't care about this. Give me the major plots of the game and key events. Give me the script of the major plots of the game and key events, along with the branching paths, along with a few branching paths that the player can take. Do it anyway. Do it anyway. Oh, wait. He's writing it anyways. What? I don't. Why was it like, I'm not doing it, but I am. It's just that's weird. Let's see. Let me know if the music is too loud for any reason. I don't think it is, but... The player gathers clues, trying to determine... The player discovers the victim has recently been involved in a heated argument. Notorious playboy. The player uncovers evidence linking the victim just when the player... Shocking revelation. I like how they save it now. That's cool. After the player has the option to either believe... Oh, look at this here. After interviewing, believe it and move on. Suspect the ex-husband and dive deeper. If they will continue to investigate and eventually uncover evidence linking. Why? I'm having trouble talking. If the player chooses to suspect that the ex-husband is lying, they will decide to follow him and try to catch him in the act. Events where the player must gather evidence and confront the ex-husband, ultimately leading to a confrontation. After discovering the victim's involvement in the gambling ring, the player either focus on the gambling ring or consider other suspects. If the player focuses on the gambling ring as the main suspect, it will uncover evidence linking one of the leaders to the murder and arrest them. Or they must decide whether to arrest. So, who is the murderer? Who is the murderer? It depends on what they do. Okay. If the player accuses the suspect, the ex-husband. No, but I don't want it to. I don't want the murderer to change. I don't want the murderer to change depending on the storyline. I mean, ChatGPT can write Unity code, yeah. Matters. Doesn't like to go big overviews that have details. It's best to just ask, what would the opening intro be? And then ask the individual back. That's true. Good. Okay. When it is said, I apologize, I felt that. One of the suspects as the murderer of the outset and structure. Let's see. Should we make it so it changes depending on it? I guess we can just do this. Okay, well. Okay, give me the storyline. Give me the script for the first, for the key event, for the first key event, and the branching choice. Hey Kambala, I have a mini series on Unity. It's like my first video on my channel. Like 10 episodes on like getting started with Unity. It's not like a full game. I also have a 3.5 hour video on how to make an endless runner in Unity. Which took me a really long time. To implement Nanite in Unity, you can use the Unity Nanite package. It always tries its best not to offend anyone. I know, right? Like, I like its friend doing it for me. It's happening. A player arrives. They can hear player knocks on the door. Oh, it's you. What do you want? I'm a detective. Wait, how did the ex-husband know who I want? Who I am? I'm just a new person. I already told the police. I understand. Fine. What do you want to know? Where were you? I was at a business meeting. I have several witnesses. That seems unusual. It was an important meeting. I had to close the deal. Can you provide me? Fine. Okay, so if it relieves the ex-husband's alibi, I think you're hiding something. Okay. Now give me the script. If the player follows believing the ex-husband's alibi. Certainly, here is an example of how the script could continue. This is gonna be so formal. So Lexica is like it basically scraped together a lot of prompts and images generated with Stable Diffusion. And you can see the prompts and explore similar styles, so you can get like good ideas of different prompts and their settings. This is weird. Which, here's a shameless plug. Which I also have this site that I made, which is for textures generated with AI, and these are seamless textures, and you can actually upload textures. Yes, you can use them in your games. They're copyright free, however, according to the law. However, please check within your jurisdiction. Oh my god, I just saw something inappropriate. Okay, let's see. Okay. Was revealed as the murderer. Okay, give me the script for interviewing the potential murderers in the gambling ring. Okay, so that's there, and then I need the ChatGPT to give me the script for if we don't believe the husband. It's scary how amazing AI has become. Yeah, I mean, they just came out with a 3D point cloud generator. It's like literally insane. AI to 3D point clouds. No, this is definitely not it. Yeah, so like there's a paper on it. But see, like it generates little points like a 3D model. I did a video on something like that similar before, but that didn't generate point clouds. It uses a different format. I need ChatGPT to give me a life. Well, you can do that without ChatGPT. What are you doing here? This is private property. I'm a detective. We don't know. We're running a legitimate business. That's a lie. Pulls out a piece of evidence. Where did Can you give me the script for if the player didn't believe the husband, the ex-husband's alibi? Okay, so then... Oh my god. Alright, so we're going with the visual novel kind of thing. Let's do 2D. Let's call them Murder Mystery. Murder Mystery. Murder Mystery AI project. This is so cursed. These kind of look like old games or something. Wow, this looks pretty good. Jeez. Hey, Master Chaos. What's the best way to learn coding or Unity? Well, I'd actually learn some programming concepts before diving into Unity. It'll just make the whole process much easier because Unity is already like a big thing, and then if you don't know coding, that's another thing that will complicate the process. So learning basics of programming, syntax before diving into Unity, and then Unity, starting with small projects like game jams, just doing little mini games, following some tutorials, and then at some point do not follow like a million tutorials, just try to make the mechanics yourself. And it's just not it's just a process. You just need to keep doing it. Just start. Does it work in different languages? I heard it does. I haven't tried it. Okay, so now let's see. Okay. Give me the Unity code. The Unity 3D code for this game with branching storylines, so that if a player clicks on an option, the screen, the UI will display the next option, the next script line. Give me the Unity infrastructure code. I don't know how to say this. Did you study coding before Unity? Yes. I did a computer science degree. And while I was doing the degree, I started Unity. Okay. Give me the code for a dialogue tree that takes... Give me the... Writing the prompts is like a job, almost. Oop. My kids are using Create with Code live tutorials. Even my 8-year-old can do it, although she still has an issue with capitalization. Yeah, those are good. Unity has a lot of like nice little tutorials like that children can work off of and learn concepts. Being self-taught is very possible. Yeah. I mean, I learned Unity myself. Not the coding part, but then again, like the university classes were alright. For the dialogue tree implementation. There we go. To store the dialogue options and their script lines, you can use a class or struct to represent each node in the dialogue tree and store the script lines and child nodes in variables. Okay, tree, it's a tree. It's a tree. People only ask AI to give something. Seems like a one-dimensional relationship. When will they give back? I mean, I don't know. How do you even give back? IBK, I have a CS computer science degree. But the gaming stuff, basically I taught myself. The Unity. Next, you can create a script to manage the dialogue tree and control the flow of the conversation. The script will need to keep track of the current node in the tree and display the script lines and choices to the player. You can use Unity's UI system. Continue. Sometimes it like cuts off the script, so you have to put continue. I don't know why. Alright, so we need a dialogue manager class. Let's make a scripts folder. Wait, I did this wrong. Okay, there we go. Then we create a new script called Dialogue Manager. That I was hired by Unity? Definitely not. Back then I didn't even have Unity's contact. Now, luckily, they found me and contacted me, and they sponsor some of my videos, which is nice, but it's like they don't hire me to do anything. I just do stuff that or I just explain it by my own. A C# Unity script. I do not have personal desires or motivations. Let's see. Oscillion on Twitch says, I once decided to study computer science when I was younger until I heard that it required taking calculus. Then I got discouraged. And math. But math is so fun! Took me 2 years, but with dedication, anyone can teach themselves anything. Along with great tutorials. And Samia. Thank you. I mean, yeah, anything's possible. It's good to like... Yo, what the heck? You giving me these comments? You gotta write the whole script, alright? This ain't no... Oh. Okay, now we need this dialogue node. Oh, wait. Copy code. Okay, there we go. And then for some reason it didn't put using Unity Engine. Okay, let's see. This is like the font that I use. This side. Alright, so the current node, so it's tree data structure. But also computer science helped me a lot because you have to think about data structures, systems, and that helps a lot with game dev. Clear the UI, display the script lines, display script lines. Give me the code for display script lines. Give me the code for display script line. Calculus is fun, but linear matrix is not fun at all. C# on my own. So OP. What, the CS degree? Hey Walter, what's up? Math is numbers without context. Well, math is a pattern, sort of. They find patterns in the world and call that math, and they put numerical values to things. But in reality, no one really knows anything. Everything's kind of just made up, if you think about it. Here's an example of the disgrace script, blah blah blah. Okay, great. Thank you. text equal text. So I'm imagining this uses using Unity engine.ui. Yep. So it gets a reference to the text element. This is horrible. Or optimization. We don't need to get it on every time. Dialogue text. Watching our obsolescence. Oh, obsolescence. Maybe you should try asking for function. Yeah, I'm gonna start doing that now since it's just like... Give me the code. Code for... Play choices. Hey Raj on the street. Hey Sam, cool that you do Twitch stream. I should start that to keep motivated. Yeah, I mean, it's fun. I don't think it helps me certainly be more productive if I'm streaming. But if it helps you keep, you know, a word to yourself to be productive, that works. With me, I'm more like, I'm better if I don't have as much distractions. Just because that's how I am. Okay, so now here we're gonna put this function. Alright, display choices. So we have the lines and then we have the choices. So we need a UI panel where the choices will be displayed. Create a button prefab. I like how they just gave me, assumed I had a button prefab. Okay. Can you ask the bot to explain quaternions? Yeah, sure. I don't want to remove it. Term. I don't want to remove the chat I already have. Transform.find. Yeah. And it does it on every function call, which is not. I wish I knew calculus better. Neural nets from scratch. Derivatives. Oh, but derivatives aren't that bad. I don't know. I'm a nerd. I love calculus. Okay, quaternions are a mathematical construct that can be used to represent rotations in a 3D space. I'm just gonna copy this response here so you can... Ah, damn it. It's too long. Yo, YouTube, what is YouTube doing? Alright, well, but yeah, here's the answers. Rotations. ABIDK, real numbers, imaginary units that satisfy the equations. Because they are computationally efficient and do not suffer from certain types of numerical instability, like Euler angles, rotation matrices. More difficult to understand, so there might not be the best choice. So basically it's like this answer here. Okay, there. Okay, good. I can't... YouTube doesn't let me put more than 200 characters at once. Okay, so we find... For each dialogue choice and choices, instantiate a button each time. I don't know why I made that noise. Can you give me... Can you write the... function? 3,000 tangents. I mean, yeah, focus is important. Alright, this is horrible code. I don't like this. Okay, we have this. So let's do rewrite the manager class so that we are getting references to existing UI components and not instantiating them each time the functions are called. Thank you. The def was definitely not simple. Okay. Oh, I forgot to say to use TextMesh Pro. I recently used ChatGPT to write Unity developer test questions for an interview. It did well. That's funny. Yeah, I mean, this is kind of insane. Like, this is just the start. I have no idea what's coming in like the next year. Like, that's why it's important to be, there's so much hairs on this microphone, adaptable. You know, like, you have to keep learning new skills, and if you want to not be irrelevant in a few years. Why does it just start from the beginning again? I'm confused. I said continue. Sometimes it cuts off. Yeah. Thanks for your support and for supporting Sam. Hey, Henry. I'm hungry. I took my dog out at 12, so he should be good for like 3. Yo, Polymars. ChatGPT definitely doesn't do your homework. Yeah, you're too busy with the Scratch games. Alright, let's see this new version. Let's see what it does. Becoming a Scratch master. There's no way ChatGPT can override Scratch developers since it's visual programming. I'm just kidding. Dependency injection? Yeah, it probably can. Okay, let's play dialogue. Clear the dialogue, display the lines, and display the choices. So script lines for each line, just change the text. Then for each choice, we want to current node equals display dialogue. Where is that? Oh, when you select a choice, then it displays the dialogue. And then the script line, the next script lines, your prompts are probably the problem. I think that was, I can't tell. It was pretty sure it was sarcasm. Yeah. Hey, Nene, how are you? I want AI to replace my coding. This actually better than me. Okay. Script lines. Choices for each choice in the dialogue node. We want to instantiate the button. Do not instantiate the button each time, get a reference to an existing button, and just change the text. And make the button width match the text size. Hey Robo. Marley. What's up? What's up, Doc? What's up, Doc? Come here. I have black clothes, so I'm not gonna carry. Just gets white. Hi, Marley. It was his birthday the other day. You guess how old my little baby turned? Bro, does that work? I don't know. Should. Alright, so let's now just... I like how it only rewrote the part that I told it was wrong instead of rewriting the whole script again. And sometimes it just rewrites the whole script. Okay, I'm just gonna comment the previous one out. And then... gonna copy the dialogue node class here. I don't know why I didn't just uncomment it. Let's see here. And then for the new display choices function, here, good night Sam, thanks Unstoppable, appreciate it. Hey Robo, what's up? Can I write shaders? I don't know, I'm pretty sure I can. I'm generally scared for my job. What does being adaptable mean? It just means learning new skills. I mean, like, this isn't perfect, and it will be hard for it to be perfect. Like, for example, Stable Diffusion, like with artists, you still need like an artist's touch if you use Stable Diffusion, because it's hard to get exactly what you're envisioning. Okay, see, this doesn't even exist here. CD error. So like prompt writing is gonna be big, but even that will get better. But new things will emerge, like now this AI stuff, now there's a bunch of startups in the AI space, like making AI textures, AI game assets, AI anything. So every time a new tech comes out, like new possibilities come out with it that weren't previously possible. It's hard for me to say exactly what that is because I don't know. This chat is a tech lead. Does anything work yet? No. I've just been rewriting the code because I'm like, this is not optimized enough. Well, it assumes that the button is the first child of the panel, which I don't really like. I'll set the width of the button to match the text size. Oh, actually that's nice. Equals. Add a listener to handle the selection. Oh, this is cool. So depending on the button, so depending on how many choices there are, for each choice, it sets the text of the button along with adding a listener. If there are more choices, get a reference to the next button, which is choice button.transform.get sibling index. Choice button equals choice panel get child dot game object. Next index. That's assuming our panel has a children. Of buttons. Can we ask them to make all methods length less than 6 lines? I don't know. I cannot get it to generate a Perlin noise image in Python. Thanks, IBK. In Twitch, Oscillion. I remember using Scratch back in high school. Then I learned something called Visual Basic. Kind of regret not keeping notes. Not studying programming. Oh, yep. I am actually like interested in the Scratch thing though, because everyone's been like, oh my god, Scratch on my YouTube feed, and I'm like, what is the deal with Scratch? Why is everyone doing Scratch? I'm like, I feel like I need to experience it because everyone's like, oh my god, Scratch. Okay, so I guess we can just... So our script takes... Okay, can you make me the list of dialogue nodes with the scripts and choices included? Okay. What game am I making? A visual novel about a weird detective thing that the AI spit out. I don't know. Scratch. Yeah, I mean, Scratch is a visual. I think it's mostly like for learning. But Polymars has some great videos on it. Which I'm gonna... Here you go. Here, I'm advertising your stuff, Polymars. You're still here. Okay, here we go. Continue from where you cut off. Hey Marley, what's up, Marley? What? You need to be? You need to be? But I just took you out a while ago. Give me an hour. Let's try to get this game done. Okay, so now we have this dialogue nose. Where should we put this? It isn't the exactly the best architecture, Ideally, we'd want like, can you make it a dynamic function that takes in the script and the choice and creates a dialogue node from it? Hey Gorka Games, thank you, I appreciate it. I've been going kind of ham recently with the tutorials too. I'm kind of exhausted. I've been working a lot. Okay, so now we have a function to create a dialogue node. Dialogue does not take a constructor. This is insane. But I just put an AR video today if you guys haven't seen it. It's pretty cool. I would watch it and like it. Please. Is the AI making game? Hey Dev Delver. Yeah, he's it's making a game for me. Wait, before he was taking in... Yeah, it was passing in a random dialogue node that didn't have anything in it. That's weird. Why though? Create dialogue node. Choices. New string, new dialogue node? Huh? That's weird. Okay. Can you give me the dialogue node class with the constructor? Certainly. Is this something anyone can use? Yeah. I mean, I think it's not allowed in some countries yet, or not working, but here in the US, it should work. Yeah, I mean, I've been using it to ask it questions if something's not working. I'm like, what's not working here? Okay. So it's still like, for some reason, not giving me the right code. I don't even know if this works, which is hilarious. No, and the error is in the function. Yeah, you need an account, but you can just log in with your Google account, your Google Gmail. Yeah, I mean, this would be great to help learn Unity. I would not trust it blindly, but like, you see how many changes I've had to make. Okay, so now we have a script that doesn't have any errors. Cool. Okay. Can you give me all of the dialogue nodes for the visual novel? Dialogue node variables. Instantiated? I don't know how to say this. I sometimes ask it the most random things. I mean, it's basically scraped the entire internet, or a very large part of it. So it is kind of fascinating, honestly. You know, there's something I didn't think though. This does not have an image associated with it. It works everywhere except Cuba, North Korea, Iran, Syria, and Sudan. Can you add to the dialogue node an image so that there is a unique image displayed in the visual novel per script line? And Egypt and Ukraine. And now rewrite the dialogue manager class to take into account having the image displayed per dialogue option. You see, I didn't even think of this beforehand because I'm relying so much on the AI that I'm just not thinking for myself. I'm being like, what do I need on this data structure? I'm just like, you tell me. Which is kind of dangerous if you just blindly. This thing could be good for simulating hacking programming in movies. Yeah, but I think it can be used for a lot more. Wow, it is just changing all of the code. Yeah, but this doesn't... This does not, like, take into account... Oh, I guess it does. For each button, set the active button, set the text, set the image, set the options, and then advance to the next node. And this should be called... Didn't know you can beatbox. Awesome. Yeah, thank you. There's no problem here. The problem is... Can you add listeners to the buttons? So the next I mean, I could have written this faster myself, honestly, at this point. Can you add listeners to the buttons so the next option is... So the next script line is loaded in when the user presses the option, the choice. Doesn't work for me in Algeria. Oh. Such a pretty day today. Ba-da-na-na-na-na. Para bailar la bamba. Para bailar la bamba se necesita, se necesita. Pa la bamba. Pa la bamba, pa la bamba. This new Twitter like view count thing is kind of strange. Be like, damn, all you saw my message and didn't like it? How dare you? Alright, now we have a new version of the dialogue manager. Version, I don't even know. Alright. Okay. Start dialogue at the specified node. Update UI with the current dialogue node. Set the text. Set the image. Okay, can you create a scriptable object code that creates that is similar to the dialogue node? Can you make the dialogue node a scriptable object? Yeah, Twitter has views. I think Elon Musk said it was like 100 times more views than likes. Okay, there we go. There we go. Made a scriptable object for me. Amazing. Okay, so then let's make a new class. Create C# script dialogue node. Okay. Now we can create a new node. Create all of the dialogue nodes I need for the visual novel script. But it's great that it knows what you said previously. I think that's the really revolutionary part. So that it like builds on what you previously said. I got banned for not being active. Yeah, I think Twitter now removes you if you haven't been active in a certain amount of time. Oh, that's creepy. That does not seem... Whoa. No, this is not what I meant. Maybe. No. Okay, so let's just make an empty dialogue manager. dialogue manager. Let's make some UI here. Do I need a text? Let's use TM Pro. This is the script text. Okay. Let's position it down here and make it larger. Okay. Let's make a panel. Script panel. Okay, this is where the text is gonna be. Make the width large enough along with the height. Position it kind of there. Then this is probably too large. So we need that. We need the buttons. So UI button. Choice 1. Choice 2. You can do choice 2 here and maybe choice 1 here. Oh, okay. Let's see, put it here. Let's just rename this default values. The text actually, let's probably like make it less height here and then just make the panel a little larger. Okay, it's not the best UI, but whatever. Do it for now. Okay. Just put some example text there. Yeah, it's like 1%, I think, likes. And then we need the image, so UI image. This is 1270. No, this is 1920. Let's put this 1920 by 1080 here. Oop. The canvas, let's scale with screen size 1910 by 1080. And then the image, we want to make it like full screen, right? By 1080. Put it at the bottom. And then the script panel, let's like make it black and put it a little darker maybe. Get a little left, a little more right, a little more bottom here. The script panel is way too large. Okay. You see you when I don't wanna see when you don't even wanna see. I haven't even used the UI toolkit, so I have no idea. When I say it, what you feel. Oh, safe travels, Dev Delver. Bye, AIA. Is there an easier way to say your name? Aya, maybe? I don't know. AIA, I guess. Happy holidays. Have a good one. Okay, so actually, so we have script lines. New dialogue node and create the asset. Node 2. Okay. Actually, this isn't bad. I mean, it's not the best, but I just want to get something working. Okay, bye, Irenacy. Hope I said that. Happy holidays. Every time I click that tab, I kind of regret it. I did not get that at all. Okay, that's good to know. Aya. Thank you. I have a cool video planned soon, guys. Just need to record and edit it. Oh, so way to you to lie. When you see your heart is in your eye. When it's darker, you put it for the right side. You don't even know you wanna. I'm not gonna say this is the best code ever, but you know, it does the job. Actually, this is under the same class. Oh no, it's just that it's missing the using Unity engine. Menu item. Oh wow, just keeps going. Oh, you say your heart. It doesn't really need these weird menu item things, but okay. I'm just gonna keep saying continue. I could have probably asked it so that it optimizes itself, really. But whatever. Is not valid for this item. Okay, so then let's delete that. Let's just make a class. Public class. Create dialogue nodes. Mono behavior. Whee! Create instance does not exist in the current. Oh, keeps going. So then it says here to use it in that. Start dialogue. So dialogue manager. I'm just gonna put start and then put start dialogue. So in the start, it starts the dialogue equals the start node. So let's put this here just so I can. Then it starts update UI, la 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 la. Print node equals script lines. And then it does the same thing. Okay, so seems fine. Now it's just this horrible function. The name create instance does not exist in the current context. Scriptable object class. Okay, well you could have said that. Okay, so then I can do scriptable object dot create instance. Okay, and then now the asset database. Okay, asset database dot create asset. Name asset database is not available in the editor namespace. Oh, okay. Using Unity editor at the top here. Okay, node 2. I see. So somehow it was assuming that it already have like these references. I don't know, it's been changing stuff. This is weird. Oh, this is the end. Okay. Oh. Thank you. A code that does the job is good code. Abraham Lincoln, I think. I don't know if that's true, but okay. Let's see. Name node 2. The functions don't have references. Don't have references to the other nodes being created. Dialog node objects being referred to in the child nodes are defined and created before they're used. Well, I do have a mods on my chat on YouTube, but they're just not online. Okay, so it's actually rewritten the script. So that it does... Let's see. Okay. Basically, I just have to do this over and over again. What if I just make this function? Create nodes. Node 3, I'm just passing through. How are your days going? Okay. Okay, so let's just do this now because this is a lot of work. Create node 4. Wait, but now it's... Alright, let's do something. I'll just do it myself. What is there, like 13 options? I feel like it's more work to make this guy figure out that it's not reference. It's impossible for it to reference itself. Okay, and now you just do this. Wow. Amazing. Who would have thought? Now you can do it in order. Right? Hopefully. Now I can delete these. I'll just do node 5. Node 5 here. Bum bum bum. Alright, I already made node 5. I don't have to create an instance because I already created the instance. Oh. Excuse me. Okay. This is node 6. Marley! Marley, don't cry! Thanks for whoever liked or commented or subscribed, I don't know. This is so silly. Marley, I'm going. Damn. Okay, node 7. Then this is node 8. I don't even know if this works, y'all. Item Marley? Node 9. This is a very short visual novel. Okay, I'm just gonna... This is 11. This is 12. And this is 13. I don't even know if it's good. Node 11. Node 12. And then node 13. Okay. Use a dictionary list. I'm just going off of what the AI said. I don't. And then I messed with it a little just so it makes sense. Okay, so basically now I have to create in the resources folder, create an images create resources. And then images. Then I need an character 1, 2. Oh, I only need 2 characters. 2 characters. And character 1 and character 2. Ah, it's gonna be a very bad visual novel. Okay. Detective. So I need the bad guy. I do. Marley, I'm going. Take out my dogs soon. 19. 1270 by 1080. Let's see. Bad guy. Thug. Man. I don't know. Let's just put it here so give me a better prompt. Oh wow, this is probably very socially unacceptable anime. Oh, I actually really like this style. Demon. Hey Dream Beast, what's up? Of a man in... Apparently Greg Rutowski does not like AI art, so I'm going to remove him. And I hope this doesn't lag the screen. Hey Nutella sandwich, what's up? Ooh, it's Reggie. I'm Reggie. Ah. Okay, this is just no, I don't have enough memory for it. Okay, well. Hey Static. Alright, wait. Are you a mod? Wait, who are you? Who are you? Who's Static Aaron? Oh, okay. That's my mod. I didn't know that was your username. I was about to be like, who the heck is a mod here? Alright, we're sticking with 512. Wow. Trying to get a head start in learning programming before college. Congrats on college. Like that. Sometimes I have to press enter on the terminal for it to like... Oh, it's lagging. Alright. Dang nabbit. My computer's just not. It's just not. Alright, do you think I can like use... Jody High Roller? Who's that? The Rock. I don't want to like use a character by accident and not realize and then get like cancelled or something. Because the internet is such a sensitive place nowadays. Luffy? Huh? Luffy in GTA. That's funny. I'm just putting reloading it. Put a start function here to create the nodes. Okay, now let's ask it. Can you make a function we can call from the editor to call the create nodes function? Hey ho, hey Mr. Nimbles. Try and search character without copyright. That's technically none of these have copyright. But it's more like the theme of the visual novel is that it's an abuser. And I don't want to accidentally use someone and they'd be like, oh my god, you used this random person that I didn't even know was a real person. Whoa. Yakuza. Yakuza. Create all nodes. Oh, here we go. Create all nodes. I already made a function for that. So assets create. You want it, you love. What do you need? Ooh, when you say you want to know, when you say you wanna show me. What the heck is this? I wish I didn't see that. Anime visual novel. Thanks to whoever. It seems like it's just mixing images. I mean, technically that's what it does. It like tries to find a point in this arbitrary dimensional space of, and it's been trained on images, so it's NSFW. Man, Yakuza. Oh, this one's good. Okay, I don't know who these artists are, but it really looks cool. Oh my god, that's horrible. Walrus with a dark side. Let's put it some more steps here. Restore faces. No, it just froze again. Oh my god. Oh no, it's just loading. Walrus with a dark side. Shrek with The internet is quite a place. Oh wow. Restore faces did horrible. Let's put oh wait. But at this point, this is silly. This will be Samium in 2014. What? Sorry for the lag. This whole thing is lagging my computer. Okay, I'm just gonna save this image. Just use these images for now, because this thing is just like so slow. It's because I'm streaming. Yakuza detective. Okay, why does it have to be a man all the time? Ooh, cool. This one's good. Okay, let's put it here as an example. Okay. Text should be on top of the panel. Female noir detective with the dark side. What's with the dark side stuff? Oh, okay. So here's the image, I guess. image, the text. Oh, the text is using TM Pro. Text Mesh Pro UGUI. I don't know. Does the normal Unity UI text is not great. Yeah, we can generate a background. Let me just run it again. I just want to see if it works. Script panel. Dialog buttons. Okay. Two buttons. On the dark side, that is okay. Let's create a folder for the dialog nodes. Create the dialog node. No, wait. Let's create assets, create oh, this isn't running in the editor though. How can I make the nodes class be available in the editor to call the create all nodes function? Oh no! No. At least it saved it. How can I call from the editor? It's not showing up. Editor folder. I also have to put this in the editor folder. Or you can use assemblies. Put this in the editor folder. Oh. Okay, editor folder, and then what? Once you have created, I like how it gives you the steps. And now I should see it when I click create. I don't see it, but okay. Oh, I do see it. It's right here. Alternatively, you can use a custom editor attribute to make the dialog node creator appear in the inspector for a specific script. On inspector GUI, my script target. If GUI button create. Oh, cool. This gave me so much more information than I asked for. Yeah, I see it now. Yeah. What a context menu before a function, you know? Yeah, but then wouldn't you have to, for context menus, don't you have to add that to the scene? I just want to have it so I can do this. Okay, so this is character 1 and this is character 2. Now let's create the dialog nodes. The path directory must exist. Oh. Because you have to make the path. Or you have to make the folder before you put something in it. Or you can do that. Okay. Whatever. You can also just... Oops. Come on, Unity, what did I do to make you reload? Okay, create dialog nodes. Oh! I made it. Type mismatch. Oh, it didn't make the nodes for these. Node 4. Node 3. Node 2. Node 1. Okay, this one doesn't have any children nodes. This is kind of weird. Why is it a type? Node 1 should have... Okay, let's try node 6. Okay, yeah, it just seems because it wasn't creating it that it messed it up. So, okay. Create asset. Oops. Node 3. Node 4. Down 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's try again. Oh, bye, Krill. Thanks so much for stopping by. Have a wonderful holiday season. And thank you for nice comments. You say what you do. When you fall in right. Why is it not creating nodes 1 to 4? I'll be very happy that this works, actually. Let's try again. When you listen. Node 3. 3 acid, node 3. Node 3 acid. Okay, here is my class. Here is my changed class. Oh. Okay, here we go. What? I didn't ask you to explain it. Why is it not creating? Unless for some reason it's not updating. No, it is. Okay. Let's try again. For no reason. It's not creating node 2 to 4 when I click the what function? the create all dialogues option in the editor. Thank you. Oop. Let's see. It looks like the issue might be the way child nodes being set for each. In the create nodes function, you are setting the child nodes field that do not have been created yet. For example, create nodes function, you are setting child nodes for 4 and they're not being created until later on. To fix this issue, you will need to create all dialogue options before setting the child nodes. That's what I was doing. The disrespect. I mean, isn't that what I was doing? That's what I have. Node 2. Oh, it's so funny. It messed up. Like the actual chat is in the code section and the code is in the... That is hilarious. That is literally what I'm doing. Isn't that what I'm doing in my code? Is being set up in the original Node 4 script lines. Here the child nodes for field 4 is being set as a reference to nodes 6 and 7. Have not been created yet. No, but it doesn't even create the asset. It doesn't even create the asset. In the editor. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh, dashing through the snow. Ain't all the way, surely you do. And you know you feel it, you wanna go in low. Jingle bells. Save assets function. Oh, what is there? Jingle bell, jingle, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse sleigh. That wasn't right. Continue. How's everyone doing? Any fun plans? Holidays? Are you gonna make a 2D game? I'm making the visual novel little game for this AI experiment. Why does it start from this? Oh my god. I think I have to put continue from where you left off so it doesn't refresh it. You feel your heart is loving so you don't even wanna dashing through a snow. The one heart opens like furniture laughing away. Okay, continue from where you left off. Oh, there we go. No. I just figured out myself. Jeez. Generic class. I cannot. My brain is not. Oh. It's because it's creating the assets before the other things have been created. Thanks for nothing, you AI. Well then, the solution is just to create the assets after. Who? Actually, it might be faster for me to just type it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And all this nonsense we can just remove. Oops. Yeah, this isn't very scalable for an actual game, obviously. I definitely would not recommend doing this code. Whoever's watching this. Do not be like, this is great code. It's not. Do not run this. I'm warning you. I'm warning you. Wait, still? Am I tripping? Why is my script here not getting updated? Oh, because I'm editing the wrong script. Oh my Jesus Lord. That is a scam. Hey, Zeleth. Okay, well, there we go. That fixed it. Okay, now we have the dialogue nodes. Now, hello, detective. What brings you here? Oh, it actually worked. Kind of. I'm investigating a murder. Oh my god, it worked! I wasn't expecting it to work. I'm actually like crying a little. I'm just so surprised. I was just expecting it to like not work at all, but it actually worked. I'm actually crying. I don't know why. That made me sentimental. Or maybe just I'm so surprised that I have a voice. Okay. If there's no current node, then let's just return. Right, we don't have anything. Wow, I am so surprised. Wait, and so let's use the previous code where it sets the width. And the height here. Dialog buttons at I. This is not great. But let's just set it to the preferred width and height here. The preferred height, and then so hopefully the buttons are a visual novel with the help of AI. Yeah, I used AI for the art. I mean, I didn't make this specific AI. It's just like running AI on my computer while I'm streaming. It just like compulses my computer. So I just went to lexica.art and just kind of took one of the images from there. Object reference not set to a... what is it? Okay. Well, actually, let's just ask this guy. In the latest dialog manager script you wrote, can you make the size of the buttons adapt to the size of the text? Or my drink involve AI too. Try to learn hierarchical final state machine. Peep. Humbum. I mean, it's up to the AI. That's cool. I mean, yeah, this is pretty cool stuff. It's not like obviously the best. It gets the job done. Kind of. Okay, so we have the dialog buttons, get component, transform equals. And then I guess it's this. And then they just put some arbitrary numbers times 10 and then 30. Okay. What do you say? Can't have a dark side. Oh my god. The text still goes over the height of the button. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm actually gonna make the choices like this. So that That's just easier to see. And set the font and line spacing to 12. I don't need to set that on everything, but I'll just... So set the font of each choice to 12, it says. 12, and then set the line spacing to 1.5. Interesting. And so one other thing here under images, let's show that in the Explorer. Go to Stable Diffusion, Image to Image. Let's drop in one of the images there. Let's put 1270 by 1080. 720. Oh, no wonder 1080. My ratio was totally off. Denoising. It was like, this is how much I want to keep it similar to the original image. This was like a Yakuza in a city landscape backdrop in a sci-fi city. Please don't freeze. What do you mean the old Chrome theme? Ah yes, the best appealing game. Is the AI helping my workflow be faster? In this case, no. I mean, for the art, yeah, because I'm not like the artist. But for the code, I'm like, oh my god, this is so inefficient. Oh my god, it's already dark out. It's 6 p.m. What? Oh my god, it's almost Christmas tomorrow. Oh my god, I forgot to get a present for someone. Ugh. Oh boy. I need to do that. There's a post-it note. Get present. Oh, I already got the present. I'm just being extra. I don't know if you guys can still hear me. It's not flat. I don't know. I just don't update this. Is this even working? This is annoying. I don't know if you can even see me. Oh, but I like the gradient. Okay, so apparently it's just let the AI pick present. Oh, see, I can't even run this thing on my computer. Oh, it's because I'm using the wrong checkpoint. Oh my goodness, guys. It's because I was using the wrong model. Yeah, it's because I was trying to run Stable Diffusion in the wrong model. I just want to fix the kind of background so it like has like the background continued. What did I want for Xmas? Well, I already got it. I got a Stream Deck, which I'm using. Good for editing too. And then I got a necklace that I wanted. Did this work? I can't believe it actually worked. Oh wow. That's it. There's the game, guys. What is this error? If current node dot child nodes dot count does not equal null. No, if it equals null. We don't want to throw that error. The story sucks, you know, but whatever. Let's try this again. Oop, those are my 1280 by 720. Yakuza with a background sci-fi city landscape. No! 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 I freaking hate this! I forgot to change it again. You know, at this point, I might as well just delete the other model. Hey, Aura, migraine. I don't really have creative slumps. In fact, I have too much I want to do and I just don't have enough time. But if I ever feel overwhelmed, I just watch some anime. You know. Also, the story sucks. It's not even like Node 4. What's calling Node 4? If I click I'm investigating a murder. It's just a super short story. Alright, I just want to literally like put the background on this guy, but I keep pressing the wrong thing. And then the last step apart from that would be generating some music. Hugging face, music generation. Music, text to music, mystery novel noir dramatic music. Does that actually work? Oh! How to add context awareness to AI. That's kind of out of my scope right now. Oh, thanks for 100 followers on Twitch. Teehee. Alright, is this done? Okay, let's try this again. Alright. change the checkpoint. We're not gonna make this mistake again. Yakuza in sci-fi city landscape background. Okay. We'll try this again. 1270 by 720. 1280. It's great. Ooh, la la. Am I just not? Is it just not gonna work? Oh my god. Wait, what? This output from this music just outputted a bunch of random stuff. Google Colab text to music. Is this thing working? I don't know. Alright, maybe the images will have to stay that way because this just not, my computer does not want to run this. Whatever. Generate music with AI. What's a good one here? Dramatic. Dark. Do I have to like pay? Of course you have to pay. $200, my... Does anyone know music generator? Oh, there's a fly in here. Ooh. Free AI music generator. No login. I think I used this weird website. What? Okay, let's see. Compose. Did it do anything? What? What are these models that just like don't do anything? Thank you, Celis. Music plugins. I don't necessarily want a plugin, I just want like a text thing that I'm like, here's some text. Text to music AI. What's a free text to music AI generator website? Yeah, but how do I run this? Okay. This is not great. It's weird because I did this the other day. I'm just checking my December 21st. Alright, let's go back in time to December 21st. Jesus, I have so many. Okay, I'm in December 21st. Now I have to figure out where the heck. Ah, there you go. What? Of course it doesn't work anymore. Refusion was called. Refusion. Hugging face. Real-time music generation with stable diffusion. Web app. Noir, dramatic, crime, scene, investigation, novel. Hey Bill. Hey I776. Hey Nefarious. Marching Cubes algorithm. Ooh. Bye IBK. Thank you. Have a nice holiday. Okay, let's see. Okay. Save audio as Riff. Servers are behind. Man, why is everything crashing? Alright. Let's play this horrible game. And it just stops. How's your day going? What? I'm pretty sure this is the wrong... Nefarious. That's kind of hilarious, actually. It seems like the... I don't know why this one's bigger than that one. Well, we got... If anyone's interested in the AI refusion thing or whatever. Hey, Camden. Well, we got something working, kind of. Hey, detective, what brings you here? I'm investigating a murder that occurs, and it goes to node 4. The victim was seen arguing with his ex-wife. Goes to 6. Node 2. If I click it, it goes to node 4. Before the murder. I have a witness. Okay, well, I'm pretty sure all of this is like messed up, but it kind of works. I need to take out my dog, so it's fine. It's whatever. I proved the point, I think. Camden, I meant this is like an AI made the visual novel in Unity when the images are made by AI too. Yeah, I think it just needs to fix these nodes and then it'll kind of work, honestly. But I'm kind of tired. I don't want to figure that out right now. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end the stream then. Sorry for whoever just came in. But I hope you enjoyed. I hope everyone has happy holidays, a great weekend, and rest of the new year.